Welcome back to At Home with Lady Cinnamon. I am beyond excited today. I will be showing you all of the new DIY updates for the kitchen. We had a part 1 and this is part 2. But first I'm going to be playing some music. I'll be right back. I'm just going to be cleaning up and decorating the kitchen. And after I finish decorating, I will come back and give you all the deets about all of the DIY updates my hubby did.
Is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
So now guys, I happily present to you my new kitchen and I'm so happy with the way everything turned out. It looks like it was customized and that's basically the look I was going for. In lieu of paying so much for the upgrades when we were getting the home built, me and the hubby chose to just go in and do it later on, and thank God he's handy. And we'll be beginning with these beautiful bar stools. We had some bar stools, they weren't counter height, these are, and they're in a really pretty charcoal finish. They're made with sustainable harvested hardwood that's rubber, and it's so pretty. And the way it's crafted, it has a tenon and groove joinery and it's so pretty. The way they finish the charcoal color, it really created this amazing depth and this beautiful texture that it's made with. And I absolutely love these. They're from Pottery Barn, and guys, they're not even expensive. And do you see the texture on them? These are so pretty and they work so well in my space. I had upholstered nail head and before, and I'm so happy. I think these look so amazing and sleek and more modern, and that's what I was going for because I have a modern traditional taste where it's traditional with modern touches with sort of like a metro feel because I'm from like right around New York area, so perfect. Now the next thing we did was we switched out the cabinetry, and we have this really pretty glass cabinets that look like they're customized. My husband had to put these together and then you know, put them on. But it's really breaking up this wall of white cabinets that look sort of sterile, and I'm so happy with the way it feels. It brings in sort of an airy feeling. Now this is what it looked like before, and there's nothing wrong with this. As you can see, we have those upgrades of removing the microwave, putting in the range hood, we put in the backsplash, and we changed out the hardware, but it just needed something else, and I think it looks perfect. And I added the wreath for decor for over the stove, but yeah, I'm absolutely loving this clear cabinetry. It's sort of airy and it's just bringing it. I didn't choose Mulans, by the way. I didn't want it to look dated, and so I went with just a clear glass, and I'm loving the way it's breaking up all of that space on this whole side of cabinetry. I think it looks amazing. For the last update, you see these pendant lights, and they are like saying, yes, we are build-a-grade. They're frosty, they have that weird chrome look. So these had to go, and I went with some beautiful, oversized, large, clear glass shades that are so beautiful. I wanted something that would be sort of clear so it would have that negative space because my kitchen is in an open floor plan and it's smack dab in the middle, so I didn't want anything to obstruct the sight line, and that's why I love these. They're hand blown, they're so pretty, they have these beautiful, elegant and sleek curves to them, and they weren't expensive at all. We did go with a cute little village filament type of bulb, and it just casts such a pretty glow, and I love the way it warms up the space. It's so cozy, and it of course has this look that it's matte black, but it's actually in like sort of like a aura bronze that's very dark charcoaly color, and with like sort of black with like chocolate, and I absolutely love the way everything looks. And the fact that it's not matte black, and matte black isn't going anywhere, but I don't have to worry about this. This isn't trendy or timeless. It's just my style. And you want to fill your home with things that you love, that are beautiful, that make you feel good. So the reason I'm showing these vases, I've got a lot of questions. Where did you get them? Where'd you get them? I got them from Anthropology, guys. They come in different sizes. I decorate with them all the time because they can seamlessly go from whatever decor style you're into or that you have, or your design style, seamlessly. And they're so pretty. They're textural. They're sculptural. They yeah, I've had them for years actually, and that's where they're from, Anthropology. I'll leave a link if you're interested in for those in the description bar below. But guys, I love the way everything turned out. Now, elephant in the room, the faucet is not done. When we were about to do that, we were so busy, like really booked and busy. Then we started traveling for the last holiday. And I said, hey babe, just take a break. We'll pick this back up after the holiday. So we already know what we're gonna get. It's gonna be the same sort of bronzy look. We were thinking about going with something else, but you know, the silver, the brass, the stainless steel rather, it sort of shows every little drop of water. So we're gonna go with something that'll be more of a cohesive style. And I'm loving my kitchen right now. I can't tell you. I'm just happy and sort of humble, but happy at the same time, and just thanking God for my blessings. And yeah, so don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out so much. And also hit the bell twice if you subscribe, so you'll know whenever I upload a new video. In the meantime, I hope you're enjoying the holiday season, doing shopping, staying safe. I love you guys, and thank you all for watching.